Becca, what are you doing?
I want to go.
Where are you going to go?
Oh, give me my balls.
With your suitcase?
Today,
How are you going to get there?
I want to run now.
I know, but they're not expecting you tonight.
Why? Why?
Well, we didn't talk to them about it.
I know. How to go? I promise.
You promised to go?
Bye.
Well, bye. Have fun.
Only a hug. Only a hug. Please help me do that, please.
Okay.